Let's start today's drawing. For that I will do plus sign, and then I will do circle, from this point to this point. This crossing point, we will do curvy triangle. So this side is small and this side is going to be little bit bigger. So this triangle is small and this triangle is bigger. Then I will curve. Same line I will pick here, and from here I will start doing kind of like a triangle but curvy. So this side it's going to be small and this side is going to be bigger. Like triangle, and this side I'm pulling more. Now I'm going to fix a little bit here. So it will be curvy, it will be little bit down, and it will be pulling this way more. And I will make it this one little bit curvy too. Inside we can make tongue over here. So I will finish the tongue all the way here, and we will color this part later. So now we have to draw the eye. So next to this one, and this side is going to be more roundish. Inside one, and then tiny reflection over here. This side I'm going to make it a little bit lip shape, little bit tilted compared to this one. So when I'm drawing, I'm also comparing both of them. So this eye is going towards this one is also going this side, and this is reflection, so this will be here. Now this area is cheek, these are cheeks area, so I will pull this one out here. Now here I will do triangle. Now I will curve them. So this is curvy, another curve here, and this one will be this way. So a little bit from inside, curve this one, and tiny bit here, and it is from the outside. Over here, this area we can make it lighter little bit. Still I can see the line, so I will go out in like this, and same thing I will do this side. Now this was the point for guideline. Let me pull it down a little bit. So we can see this eye, half of this one. I will try to finish the body all the way here. So the body will be more this side. Under this mouth, one kind of like eye size, one here and one next to this one, like this. These are going to be the hands. So from here we can just go here, the other line will come here, go around that, and come here like this. Now I'm going to do little bit detailing. So one, first this line, another one, second line. So the 1, 2, 3 and fourth is already here, and this one will go down. So small detailings I did here. Now for this one, same thing I will do. Let me erase the guideline from inside. So it's a little bit far, so we can move a little bit closer to this one. If you feel like this is a small, you can draw a bigger circle. It's totally up to you. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then I will. So we have to. You can do as many as you want. So like I can see here, this one is getting really big here. So I will erase and I will fix it. So I will start this time a little bit from the far from that one, and the second one also here, and this one is here. Let me erase my guideline. This one will go down here. From here, again same thing I will do. I will pull this one. So I was making from here. No, I will go and pull this one a little bit down, and then it will go up here. So we can see here, this I did little bit furry style here. Now I will do little bit idea like where the highlighted area will be. So it can be here. You can draw a small body, big body, totally up to you. This area is going to be dark over here, and this hand, so we have to draw the hand line over here. After that, from here I will draw, go a little bit roundish over here and pull it down. So this is the highlighted area. So I will draw this one, and I will cross, and I will do kind of like alphabet L, but it's going a little bit down. And curvy, so shape I got it. Now from here, this is also coming from this side. It will go here. This one is also going to be kind of like curvy and small. This one, the length is this much. This one will go a little bit above, and this is the area we are going to draw. So we got all these lines. Now I'm going to do a little bit detailing. Like over here, I will make it a little bit more roundish, and I will do 1, 2, just 2 of them. Third one is here, and over here let me erase and make it light. So here 1, 2, and maybe 3 this way. So we have to adjust according to the size. And it will go inside a little bit here, and the tail part can go here the way you want. If you want up or down, totally up to you. Want big eye, so let's try a little bit more bigger eye and see what will happen. And then eyebrow will be here, and here some zigzag area will be here, and we can do these things later. This one is coming from here. We have to a little bit adjust over here too, like these two areas we have to pull a little bit out. And we can draw wherever we think. This cat has these So this is just a cartoon, so you can do the way you like. So any double triple lines, erase and try to make sure you have just single line.